Right now on the phone, the attorney who is filing this lawsuit on behalf of the diocese, Randy Mastro. And Randy, the lawsuit against Governor Cuomo is now filed. In legal terms, how is the governor exactly overstepping his authority here?
The First Amendment protects freedom of religious expression. There's no more fundamental expression of religion than being able to attend Mass, to be able to go to church, to your parishes and your churches, and celebrate communion together. For months now, in this diocese, there have been the safety precautions taken, every rule complied with, and there have been no outbreaks, no incidences of COVID. The diocese has gotten it right. So there's absolutely no basis, no legitimate reason for imposing stricter requirements on the Roman Catholic churches in these particular, what the governor calls, hot zones. It's not happening in the diocese churches and parishes. It's happening in other communities. There is no basis, that's what the governor says. There's no basis, therefore, under the First Amendment for such an intrusion on freedom of religion.
Yeah, so how can the governor allow certain gatherings, like protests, for example, but then say controlled gatherings where strict protocols are being followed are mass gatherings?
It's some of the distinctions that have been made are themselves irrational and point out that the line drawing that's been done here doesn't work, and it isn't fair, and it isn't constitutional. For example, in some of these so-called hot zones, non-essential businesses, other than in extreme cases, are going to be allowed to continue to function and welcome as many customers in their stores as they want. How does that make any sense? Our churches and parishes practicing all of the proper safety protocols implemented by a commission within the diocese headed by the former head of emergency management for the city, Joseph Esposito, and having seen those protocols working and complying with every mandate and every dictate, but still allowing people to congregate and enjoy the Sunday Mass, to now say, oh no, you're thrown in and you have to stop doing that. It's sad, it's tragic, it's sad, it's harmful, and most of all, it's unconstitutional.
Right. So how soon can the diocese and parishioners expect the court to respond to this complaint?
Well, we hope to be before a judge tomorrow, seeking a temporary restraining order so that Mass can go forward on Sunday. And, we remain very hopeful that we will be heard tomorrow and that there will be relief from the governor's latest executive order.
How confident are you that the courts will rule in the diocese's favor?
I'm confident in how the court will rule because the case law is so clear. And there have been so many cases that have established that the government cannot go this far and cannot invade the free exercise of religion without any legitimate reason, let alone a compelling one, which is what is constitutionally required.
All right, Attorney Randy Mastro, thanks for the update.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
If you're watching Currents News on YouTube, be sure to hit the subscribe button and then click on the bell to get instant updates about all of our newest content, because we are putting your faith in the news.